Hello, my shelling friends. I'm at the beach once again. This is my happy place. I love being here. We are at low tide. So let's go and explore. The shells are starting to reappear on the shelling area here. Not much. First shell on the upper rack line. My favorite. Looks like it's got a little repair there, or break. Still beautiful. Up on the cliff, or the rock. Isn't that beautiful? The green, the moss. Sea glass. This is what I found on my shelling walk today. Found this big piece of wood with a hole, obviously purposely done or something, but it's quite interesting. I collect interesting pieces of wood. This here, it looks like porcelain, but it's not. It's plastic. It's a plastic dish broken, but isn't that beautiful with the daisies? Just showing you there. This one here, remember, pick this one up. Just lying there on the beach. Gorgeous, gorgeous one right here. This is like what, the third one, and the tip is pretty decent, so that's good. Found this guy on the way back. He's whole and cowrie shell, very nice. 3 pieces of sea glass, and not too weathered, but it's okay. At least it's off the beach. And you got this one here, and I found this white one. So some more cowrie shell, smaller ones. Oops. There we go. Very nice, 4 of those. Found this small shell. Very beautiful, the colors. Good for crafting. I found these shells, remember in the last couple of videos. Been finding these shells here. This is a smaller one and it's pretty broken in the front. And then this guy here, he's pretty bad too. Look how he's busted up. These ones will probably go back to the beach or in my shell basket, we'll see. I found these cone ones. These ones here. They're usually very white, but I love the ones that have a little bit of color to them. Very nice, like a yellow. And then we have these ones here that are pink, very pink. I have some of these shells that are pink as well. Beautiful. Pick them up when I find them. And this one here is more darker, peachier, golden, beautiful. There's always rocks in there. I love the color. Yep, so that's all that I've picked up today on this journey. Subscribe for more shelling adventures. Bye-bye, my beach-going friends.